If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace front disc brake rotor, and you need to remove these two bolts, but they're stuck. Stay with us, we'll teach you a trick how to remove them. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace the front disc brake rotor guys. And you have two bolts that you need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver, and those things are stuck. Stay with us, we will explain guys, we'll share a super simple secret that will make your life so much easier guys, and you will be able to remove those bolts super easily. So let's explain what it is now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we're working on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but even if you have an older, newer Sonata guys, previous, next generation, it will work on almost all of them guys, because almost all of them will use about that design as well. So how do you guys remove these things? Okay, you can see they're a little bit rounded. Somebody tried to remove them in the past. Okay, this one is quite a bit actually, and they didn't do it the right way. So you need to get penetrating spray. If you need to buy some, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one for a really good price. Spray guys between the bolt and the rotor. Okay, we're going to let it soak for about 15 minutes and we'll continue. So let's explain guys how you can do that now. You may need to soak them multiple times, okay, if they're really stuck. Now, next step guys, don't use a regular screwdriver, ever. You need to get a bit of screwdriver, okay, like this one here, your metal one. And you need to guys, if you get a socket that fits on top of it, like a 1/4 inch, fits really good so it has an extension, grab it, hold it good, make sure it's the same size. If it's a little bit rounded, you can get one size a little bit bigger and tap on it with the hammer a couple times. That's going to break the rust loose. Get a ratchet. Now it's super important what you do here. You need to put pressure on that ratchet, push all the way in, and with the other hand start taking it off. Okay, and you can see it came off. Otherwise it's almost impossible guys, and you can severely damage them. Check out the penetrating spray. We waited probably about 15 minutes, it went some in. If you spray more, that's why I said you may need multiple times, more will go in and it will eat that rust. Same thing to the other one. Perfect, let's do that, and it should come out pretty easily. Okay, great. So that's how it guys, you can see just like that. That's how we do it. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.